Hi everyone, Gothic Witch here. Something different today. Today is Odin's Day. Today is Wednesday. And I thought, being it is Odin's Day, that it would be good to honour him and give him thought. Why Wednesday being Odin's Day, you might ask? Why am I sitting over a flame in my cauldron, contemplating? If you think of a triangle goes from point to point to point, and you start at the beginning, you start at Sunday, then you go to Monday, then you go to Tuesday, and then Wednesday is the hill, it's the top of the week. It's the week that's probably the biggest and the most busy day of the working week, and that is Odin's Day. Odin achieved a lot, and he was a lot, and he's a big figure, so he sits at Wednesday. And in England, Odin is known as Woden. Same character, same god. I say god, but Odin actually was on our planet. He did travel our Earth, and he brought many customs together back in Scandinavia. But we call him the All-Father, for he is the All-Father. He gained the knowledge of the runes and magic through the goddesses, and Freya in particularly. Today we honour Odin, and looking into flames is a lovely way of doing it, but also drumming and getting the energy up. So this part I'm going to honour Odin, and we do a beat with the drum and think about Odin. What do you know of Odin? Even if you have one patron like I do with Freya, it's still good to honour the others in some way. Hanging upon the tree, losing an eye. There are many things that Odin's brought into being. The stone with the hole in the middle, where contracts were made, weddings were done through the hole in the middle. Obviously not a small stone, but they would have a big stone in the middle of the village with a big hole in the middle. Things were passed through the hole, and that was law, and that was Odin's law. And today, witches of the Norse tradition, even normal witches, they sometimes wear a stone or a pebble off the beach that has a naturally made hole in the middle. Now when you give thanks to Odin, Odin likes poems. So you can put a few words together and just say, Hail Odin, Hail Odin, all Father, all Giver, knowledge, Hail Odin, Hail Odin. When you think of him, do you see a warrior, or do you see the man that hung on the tree? Now what we normally do after this would be to sit in contemplation. A good way of doing this is to think about Odin. Think about what he means to you. How do you see him? If you shut your eyes or look at the flame, my friends, think about where Odin would have been. Is he on a crown? Is he down here? Is he with us? Is he with his warriors? Is he in Valhalla? Are they being merry, all the men that have died in wars that he has claimed, that they have gone to their Valhalla? Or is he walking amongst us in spirit? Think about what courage that gave the warriors. Think about the courage that gave the warriors, knowing that if they died this fantastic death, that they would be claimed by Odin, the All-Father, and taken to Valhalla, and they would live there, and they would be a warrior with Odin. How mighty is that? Whereas with Freya it's different. She takes those that don't go to Valhalla. She takes those to her wonderful place, and it's just nice to contemplate where you in your mind see Odin, in your heart see Odin, the All-Father, and think about how it is for you in your heart. Do you need strength from Odin? Do you need virtue? Do you think Odin was virtuous, or was he just a man, or was he a god? Whatever he is to you, you need to visualize him in your mind's eye. Have you a question for him? Is there something you really want to ask? The best way to do this is to get in to the mindset, to feel his presence. Odin, oh Father Odin, today is your day. Today is Odin's day. And today we pay you homage. Today we give our thoughts and minds and souls to you, to think on how you can help us to better ourselves in this life, so that our reward can be what we wish for, be it Valhalla or not. Today we seek your presence to be with us, O Odin, O mighty one. Give you praises, O Odin. I give you my love this day, Odin. I am with you in one, Odin. With this I pour a gift. With this I take a gift. Hail Odin! Hail Odin, Almighty God. Close your eyes, my friends, and see if anything comes to you, if a vision comes to you, or a thought, or a word. It's something from Odin. See his face, with his eye with a patch, and a hood. see the fire flickering in his face, so it lights it up. He's sitting with you now by the cauldron. So we say, welcome Odin, welcome Odin, welcome to my fire. He looks at you, my friends, and he smiles. He's not as some people portray him. He's not as some people portray him at all. He has a kindly face and a wicked eye. You can see he has quite a sense of humour, that he's been very worldly, that he knows what mankind is like. And as you see him in your mind's eye, ask him your question. Seek Odin on what it is you need to know. He's crouching by here, and he says, eat, drink and be merry, my friends, for tomorrow we die. And that, even today, is true. Nobody knows what tomorrow holds, and tomorrow is not that far off. Make amends with those that you have arguments with. Put your things in order, put your life in order. Start to think about the positives in your life. Odin brings wisdom to you, a wisdom that is bright and burns into your soul, a wisdom of knowing what it is you need to be doing with your lives. What if tomorrow was Armageddon, as they say? We say Ragnarok. What if tomorrow is the end? Wouldn't it be better to put everything in place and to get our souls and our hearts right with the world, especially in these troubled times? Odin brings that message today. This message is strong, for lots of warriors are entering Valhalla through no fault of their own. Many battles are won in different ways, and Odin says a battle is a battle, and if a battle is well fought, then a reward is given. So my friends, it doesn't always have to be by the sword or the axe. It can be by anything. His message today is be strong. Have wisdom in your life. Do the things you know is what you need to be doing now. Stand up for yourselves and walk in pride. Odin is now standing up. He's about to leave. If there's anything you want to ask him now, do so as quick as you can, for he is a busy being, and he's given us quite a bit of his time. So I will say, hail Odin, and thank you that you have come here today and you have been with us. Hail Odin, hail Odin, hail Odin. And with that, my friends, I'm going to leave it. Meditate upon your flames. Meditate within your hearts. And give homage to the gods of the week. It helps to keep you with your mindset. And it helps to keep you going on your path. You don't always have to do rituals, big rituals, but sometimes a ritual helps you to get into that mindset so that you feel like you want to do anything. So I'm going to say, have a wonderful evening or day. And also, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you, and please put in the comments, give me a like, and put in the comments what you would like to see on my channel. This one has been a different energy. It's been strange, and it's been not like my normal videos, and I don't often work with Odin. I always pay him homage, but he's not like when I work with Freya. So excuse me if it comes across as a bit different. The energy was different, totally different. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll say thank you again to all my new subscribers. I need to lift my energy because Odin brings a heavy energy. So I'm going to leave it there and say House of the Lang.